Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a gun in Blender. It's easy, so let's get started. So first, we need to go to the right view. So click the tilt key and press 6. So here you go. And take the scale tool and just drag it on the y-axis. Right, this is going to be a slider. So what you want to do now, just press Shift D and Alt left click and drag it down. I'll repeat. Alt left click, Shift D and Alt right click and drag it down. So now we need to scale it down like this and just take the transform and that's good. Now we're just gonna get out of the we're gonna and press Shift A, mesh and a cube. Press G and here this tilt key and 6. So what we're gonna do now, click and drag, oops, let's do I hope you're following. I think that's good. So you can see. Let me go here and just align it and just gonna make this a bit thin. And yeah, I think we're good to go. Hey guys, please join the Discord server in the link down below. Thank you for your attention. So we're almost done, but then we're not done completely. Just go here, push Shift A and mesh and cylinder. Press N to rotate and no, not that way. Z, how is that? Oops, nope. Yeah, right. So we're just gonna go and put it 90 degrees. Rotate the cylinder X in 90 degrees and just press S to scale it down. Yeah, I think that's good. Just scale it up a bit. I think that's good. Just here. Like you can make a animation right now. I'll just show you. Just Alt and like you can use this tool called animation and just click and insert keyframe. Let's say location. Make a small animation. Just Shift D, grab it here. Yep, and here just pull this back. You're good to go. Just play the animation. Oops, it's too long. 1 second. You just make the end a bit small. Yeah, it looks good. Nice. So now we're gonna make the trigger. Shift A, mesh, cube, and just grab and get it here. Oops, I'll just close the window and go here and push it here. Just do a little bit of this. I think that's good. Oops. What is that? Let's just make it. Here, Shift D and Alt left click and just rotate it and just this, get it here. You can make a gun however you want, but this is just my way of doing it. Here, and then I'm sorry, it looks a bit bad. I'll just make it a bit thin and just turn it around and just push it here. So let's see how does that look. Back, yeah, I think that looks good. Okay. And now what we're gonna do is the ejection port. How do you do that? Just shift A, mesh, cube, get it up, just scale it down a bit. Here, yeah, and then actually, you know what? I'm gonna name this slider, and this I'll name it as ejection port cube. So now you're gonna click on the slider, go to the modifiers. Oops, where is it? Yeah, add modifier and boolean and object, and you're gonna click ejection port. And now you're gonna press Ctrl A or just go to this option and apply. And now you just remove that, and boom, you have the ejection port. Why don't I push this up a bit so it looks better? Okay, now I'm gonna teach you how to make the bullet, like when you shoot the bullet gets ejected. How do you make that animation? Easy. So what you're gonna do first, so this is the sliding animation. So what you're gonna do, drag a new window and change this to dope sheet, and the dope sheet should be here, this menu drop down. You need to change to action editor and click new and just say bullet ejection. That is good. Now you play. So what I'm going to do here, so I'll just model a bullet. I'll show you how to model it. Just press cylinder and here press the tilde key and 3 for going to the view selector. Actually, I'm going to move a bit. Yeah. Now switch to the edit mode and grab the vertices on top and press E to extrude and drag it up and scale and push it inside. So keep like continuing to do what you're doing. Extrude, scale, extrude, scale. So I'm gonna leave you do the rest, and I'll be back again after you do it. So welcome back. I have done mine, and I hope you have done yours. If you have done yours, please take a screenshot and share it with us in the Discord server in the link down below. So we'll switch back to object mode by clicking tab, and here we have the bullet. Now this bullet looks too big. Why don't we scale it down? Press S and scale it down, and just rotate it. I think it's N, and how much do I rotate it? 90 degrees in the X. Now just get it on top of the ejection. Oops. We'll just push it here and oops and then get it up. Why don't you hide the bullet? Yeah, we'll hide the bullet. And now, oops, why don't we name? Yeah, we'll name it bullet. Oops, bullet. Oops, yeah, bullet. Yeah, that's good. Now, how do you animate it, like just coming up? So what you're gonna do now? So in this place, you're going to go here to the enable physics for panel and click on rigid body, and then right click on the bullet. Okay, right click and insert keyframe and say location and rotation. Alright, now I've done that. Just push a little bit farther, and now remove the rigid body, and again do the same thing. Insert keyframe, location and rotation. So now what you're gonna do, oh, I did a mistake. I'll just come back. I forgot to record all of this, so I'll just come back in a minute. Sorry. Hello guys, I'm back. Actually, I didn't do anything much. I just deleted the keyframe by clicking it and pressing delete, and I just used this button to record. So back, we were here and we switched on rigid body. Now what you're gonna do the same thing, but then make sure you didn't do the same mistake which I did. Please record and right click, insert keyframe, location and rotation. So now I hope you in the second keyframe you switched off rigid body. Now what you're gonna do, press G to grab and pull the bullet out, and R, and yeah, just rotate it a bit. Now you go in the middle and just switch turn on rigid body, and you can see the animated, right? Just click on it and click on the animated checkbox, and next just push a bit further and just click on this keyframe button and switch off the animated. Now you can see how does it work. Oh yeah, there it is. You can see it just gets launched in the air. I think that's how guns work, right? So how do we add colors to a gun? Easy. Just click on the part and go to this, I don't know, sphere with two red and white. Okay, just that's materials properties, and just oops, I'll just make the a bit, and I think you don't need this now. I'll just oops, that's good. Oops, I'll just come back. I'll just fix that and come back. Hey guys, I'm back. So yeah, so you see, I just fixed that, and just go here and okay, back to what we were doing. Just click on the materials property tab and go and name your material. So I'm gonna name this uh, uh, black maybe. Yeah, okay, black is good. And you can see the base color. Change it to black. I'm gonna just drag it, and it's gonna turn black. But then you don't see anything turning to black. So the problem is when you change it to viewport shading. If you're in like the solid mode, you're not going to see anything. Just change it to viewport shading, and here you can change this to something else. I'll just make a new one as why don't I make a new one? Make it red. Oops, I just renamed that. Just a sec, I'll just go black. Sorry. So guys, I just fixed the problem here. So what if you have the same problem, you only want to change the sliders color. The problem is just if you mistakenly selected the, I don't know what's this called, and just if that problem, just press this X button and that's gone, and you can create new. I'm making it red, and I'll just make it red. Yeah, I think that's good. So pause the video, complete your gun, color it nicely, and if you have time, please post it in our Discord server with a screenshot. So I'll just complete mine, and I'll be back in 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, I'm back. So my gun is complete. I hope yours is, and I think we have come to the end of this video. And please remember guys, subscribe and like the video, and please join our Discord server if you have any doubt about Blender, Unity, Unreal, Godot, or many other things about game dev. So I think it's the end of the video. See you in the next video.